So last week, Luma released their own designated video to video feature, and it's called Modify Video. In a nutshell, you can pretty much change the style of any video. Not only do the results come out really good, it's actually very simple to use. Now, a few other creators have done videos showcasing this tool already, but from what I saw, they didn't really get good results using the workflow that they used. But after I played around with it, I figured out a really good workflow by integrating Flux Context Pro. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through my exact workflow so you can get the best video to video results. All right, first let's head to Luma using the link in the description. Once you're there, you want to click where it says editor. Now this is where you can upload the video you want to restyle. The first video that I tested was a small video of me orbiting around my car at the front of my house. At the bottom, you will see the option to modify, so click on that. Keep in mind, you can only do 10 seconds at a time. You will see the video input and also the option for a style and a start frame next to it. And underneath that, you will see a strength toggle. Now these next steps is where I'll be integrating Flux Context Pro. So firstly, click on the three dots in the video input and click start frame. This will download the first frame of the video. Let's now head to Create and go to the edit section. I want you to upload the start frame and start entering prompts that will change the style of the image. Here's a few that I was able to generate. Once you're happy with the generations, download them and head back to Luma. So upload the image where it says start frame. Now for the strength slider, I was getting good results putting it directly in the middle. Click generate and wait for the video to complete. Now, when I had tested this, it had only just come out, so it did take a few minutes. And I was also seeing these flags where it said failed generation. But if you wait, that failed generation will end up generating. So don't generate it again. It must be some sort of glitch. Now, here's how the results came out for the car. All right, so objects work fine, but how about characters? Well, the results were just as good. I did this short video of myself walking through my house. I followed the exact same steps as before, and here's how the results came out. What is going on, guys? It's Danny here. I just wanted to showcase Luma's new Modify Video feature and just how well it works with characters. I am just walking through the hallway of my house, and I can pretty much transform myself into whatever I want. Anyway, I'll see you all on the next one. What are my final thoughts of Luma's Modify Video feature? I will definitely use this feature as my designated video to video model, especially when I'm just talking. Maybe I want to just change everything just to make it interesting. I want to give a shout out to Luma. I think you guys have done a great job. Remember to click in the link in the description, which would redirect you to Luma. It does help me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.